And there was a time when strategy ruled the land. When builders clashed, profits rose, and the Legion marched endlessly across the fields of battle. But then came the Reforging 2.0, a second reckoning that shattered the world. The great halls of custom games fell silent, and LegionTD was no more. Hope faded. The code, broken, the lobbies, empty. But in the shadowed corners of Azeroth, a spark remained. One name returned from the void, Grunwald, the warden of the broken code. With him came the drunken horde, outlaws, coders, visionaries. Together, they rebuilt what Blizzard could not. LegionTD 3.5 lives again. Sharper, stronger, unforgiving. Gather your lumber. Ready your lanes. LegionTD 3.5 has returned.